mechanical drawing, but first let us have introduction of instrument. The triangle 30 by 60, the 45 degrees triangle, the T-square, masking tape to fasten the Oslo or typewriting, the cutter for sharpening the blade of the pencil, the most important tool of the, and then the scissors, the Oslo paper. So those are among the important tools and materials in practice. So we'll have now the given views. So as I see it, the top view is a static problem. So we'll have 5 by 5 by 4.2, and the object is slanted. So we will proceed on drawing the orthographic by means of construction lines. Lines means they are not object line, they are constructed. Make sure that the construction will not be repeated, or the construction line is just a thin line for a preparatory object line. So when you are doing the orthographic drawing, you need to measure first the total height and the length of the object, and including the gap between the top view and the front view. Okay, fast forward tayo. So we do not have yet the full image of the top view. So let us proceed on isometric. Isometric is drawn through the use of 30 degrees left and right axis, the vertical line, and then the inclined plane depending on the image of the object. Okay, so we are almost done. Darkening the visible edges. So we're done in orthographic. Oh, not yet. We still have 1, 2, and 3 lines. So what comes in next will be labeling of the orthographic as well as the isometric, and then the dimensioning. Now dimensioning means you're going to putting or indicating the dimensions or the measurements of the object. Now I am using a typewriting to prevent the moist in my hand to be transferred to the drawing paper. So label the right side view, label the front view, label the top view, and then the isometric. Now in indicating the dimensions or measurements of the object, the space between the front and top should have the dimensions, not on the left side of the top or left side of the front. It should be within the orthographic box of the square, within, not the outside. So it should be on top where the profile of the length at the right side, and then on the right side it should be indicated on the upper portion, not on the right side of the right side, because this is an orthographic drawing. This is not a floor plan. So later on we will have our discussion on floor planning as soon as we finish the pictorial drawings, the oblique projection, and some other modules. Because I know among of you will have a plan, you have the plan of migrating to AutoCAD. Okay, so we are done now. So we are just finishing it. Okay, thank you very much. So I hope you review this one for you to be for you to practice the isometric and orthographic drawing. Thank you. That's the output. Thank you very much. Good day, and please subscribe.